Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad and able to verify apps. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting and tap on Wi-Fi. From here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. You have turn off this toggle and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that go back and turn on aeroplane mode, and after a few minutes you have turn off. Tap on Apple ID, scroll down, you have sign out your Apple ID. After a few minutes you have again sign in, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and tap on Safari app. From here you scroll down and tap on advanced. From here you tap on website data. From here you make sure that remove all website data, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open again setting, scroll down and tap on journal, and from here scroll down and tap on date and time. From here you make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically, and after that go back and scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this and tap on reset, then tap on reset all setting. After reset all setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.